Hello everyone. So today we're going to symbolic link in Windows, and I've tried this multiple times trying to record this. I'm just gonna kind of just go. So what what is symbolic link? If I can spell it right. Uh, Link. So what is this? What is a symbolic link? Well, a symbolic link is a pointer, and I can't spell. Point the pointer to another location on the drive. So on the drive. That's what it essentially is. It's you give it as more of like a shortcut, but it is not a shortcut. I know I said that, but it's not a shortcut whatsoever. So let's say I have an application. Let's say I have an application, and it writes to this directory. Let's say C app. Okay, and it's hard coded in the program. So what I can do is I can use a symbolic link to tell the computer instead to actually write it to, let's say, D app. This way, program still thinks it is writing things to this directory, when in actuality, it is actually writing to this directory, which is actually pretty nice. I use this for my documents, my music, basically the home folder stuff for my purposes. So this way, I don't have to change any real settings in the computer. All right. So how do we make this? So I am going to be using Power. Ooh, my bad. I'm going to be using PowerShell. Shell and Windows. So I'm going to use PowerShell, and this is how we're going to make it. So we're going to run PowerShell as administrator. I'm not sure what exact permissions you need for this. I am not an administrator as my account, so I need administrator privileges to do so. So I'm going to launch administrator, launch PowerShell as administrator. There we go. Now that I've launched it as administrator, I need to determine what location this is going to be in. So in my example, we used the C drive, and we used the app folder as my example, and I want to put it on my D drive for where it's actually going to save. So that's what we're going to do. We are going to change directories just for the heck of it. Actually, we're going to change to the C drive, the root directory of the C drive. So we're going to do git -child item, and as you can see, there is no app folder. So what we can do now is we can do new item, and we're going to tell the computer that this is a symbolic link. So we're going to do -item type, and we're going to type symbolic link, and the path in which the symbolic link is going to exist, -path. We're going to say C drive app, and then we're going to select the target location and where the actual stuff is going to exist. So let's say in my example, I used DG drive app, and click OK. And app doesn't exist in my D drive, so let's me go create it real quick. So we're going to create a new folder, call it app. And I'm going to put that back, replace the text the command that we used earlier. And now it says, hey, I found on the D drive, there's the app folder. So I'll create the symbolic link on the C drive. So if I were to go to the C drive now and click on right here, we have app. Now, like I said, this is a pointer. A pointer file points to the directory in which it's going in. So while it looks like, if I right here, if we look at this right here, it looks like C drive app. In actuality, it still is D drive app. So if I were to create a new text file in this folder, you notice it showed up on C drive here. If I were to delete this file, it also deletes over here. So be careful. If you see, like, quote unquote, well, why is this duplicated? Well, it's not really duplicated. It is both the same. Both of these are the same directory. So the symbolic links are great if you want to have, let's say, an application that, let's say, is hard coded to one directory, and you want to move that directory over to another location. So that's all I got for today. Thank you for watching.